Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find Themes app and tap on it, or go into Settings and select Themes over here. Now tap on More next to Free Themes and click on Themes at the bottom left corner if they are not already on. Then tap on the search bar and type in whatever you wish to, like Kitty. Then select the best theme for you, tap on it and select Free. After that, click on Apply and wait. Then when I click Home button, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. But you can always go back into the default one by going into Settings, scrolling down again and tapping on Themes one more time. This time select My Themes and pick one of those, Classic or Limitless. Then select Apply and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!